In this video I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Google Sheets from US to UK settings. So what you have here is a date in the US settings. As you can see, it is the 31st of December 2025. Now what we will do, we will select this cell, then we will go to Files, and here you will find the option Settings. So what you can do next is check the location. Now as you can see at my Google Sheets, the United States is selected, but you can change it. So we are searching for the United Kingdom because we would like to change it to the UK settings. Then select United Kingdom, and this affects formatting details such as functions, dates and currency. So once you have selected the United Kingdom option, then save and reload. And as you can see, the date will be changed. Now I will zoom a little bit in so you guys can see it. As you can see, now the date has changed to the format of the UK. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.